First of all, as you can see, here's a small warm-up. We have this picture. I believe it's an Italian guy for some reason. So let's read the questions over here and answer them. Do you like pizza? Well, my answer will be who doesn't, right? I mean, who doesn't? Everyone loves pizza because pizza is quite good. Well, so I guess the answer will be yes. Then it says, what toppings do you like? Well, of course, you know what pizza is. This is a pizza. However, what is the meaning of the word toppings? If you take the word top from here, as you know, what is the meaning of top? We have taken it as a rooftop and many things. Top of the table, you know, you have always heard it. So, when we hear the word top, it means something above something else. Then, it says, what toppings do you like? Toppings actually refers to the pizza. So, what do we mean by that? That's right. We mean the things that are on the pizza. As you can see here, they have some cheese and believe some, they have some cheese and believe some bacon and stuff. So, what do you think about that? What toppings do you like? What toppings do you like on your pizza? Well, probably, I guess, the fan's favorite, which is pepperoni, which is some sort of meat. Of course, beef meat. So, yeah, I guess we'd go with pepperoni because it's the best, that's for sure. Alright, so in our discussion, the answer will be yes, we do love pizza, and yes, we love pepperoni the most, and pizza is awesome. Well, the Italian guy over here also seems happy, so that's what makes our answer absolutely correct. Okay, first of all, let's have some speaking over here. Let's have some speaking. You see, here is a boy. This boy is speaking about himself, so let's read it together. Let's read it together and focus on it very well, so that when we are done, we can absolutely tell the story again in our own words. Okay, so let's read it together. Hello, my name is Alfredo and I'm from Burano, Italy. For breakfast, I usually have biscuits with milk or hot chocolate. I love biscuits. For lunch, my mom makes some pasta and a fish or meat dish. Of course, we always have a salad or cooked vegetables. On Thursdays, I often go to the city center with my friends and have a slice of pizza with cheese, tomato, and mushrooms. For dinner, I often have meatballs or pasta with tomato sauce. At the weekend, I sometimes have an omelette with vegetables and cheese or meat. Okay, so here's another boy who's actually given us a question. He says, take the correct pictures of Alfredo's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Do you know what is the meaning of tick? What is the meaning of ticking? Well, yeah, you always get it in school. Not just in English, actually. No, you get it in many subjects. That's how we do a tick. This is the symbol of having a tick, which means when the answer is correct, we put that symbol, which is a tick, as you know it. So, we have some questions and we have some pictures that we are going to tick. But then we have to go back to the whole thing about Alfredo and learn again, make sure that our answers are correct. Alright, so the first one over here, we have breakfast. As you know, breakfast, which is the first meal, as we have spoken about it, which is the first meal every day. The first meal, when you wake up in the morning, you have your breakfast. Here we have a chocolate bar, we have some cookies, I believe, with some milk, and also some coffee, I believe. Coffee, I guess. This one is coffee with milk, so yeah, we would go with that. So let's go back to the slide where he has spoken about his breakfast and concentrate so we can tick the correct answer from these three, or even maybe more than one. Alright, so we are now coming back to this one. He said over here, hello, my name is Alfredo and I'm from Burano, Italy. For breakfast, I usually have biscuits with milk or hot chocolate. I love biscuits. So, yeah, come on, tell me, what did he say? What did he say exactly? He said, for breakfast, as you can see here, for breakfast, he has what? Number one, he has biscuits with milk or hot chocolate. And then he says, I love biscuits. So how many things does he have? Well, he usually has, first of all, number one, biscuits. Then he says, number two, with milk or with hot chocolate. So we have a choice. So one of these two will be number two. So in that case, the important thing we know that is biscuits. He has biscuits. And one of these two, which is milk or hot chocolate, okay? Once again, what are they? Biscuits with milk or biscuits with hot chocolate. Okay, that's it. We're done. So now let's look at it. Let's look at it and tick the answer. So for breakfast, what did he say? He wants what? Does he have a chocolate bar? Does he have a chocolate bar? No, he doesn't. What about coffee? Does he have coffee? No, he doesn't have any coffee. So in that case, does he have, cookies and biscuits, which are cookies or biscuits with milk? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He wants it. So in that case, we put a tick over here. That's one of the answers. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Which is lunch. We have, as you can see here, that's a slice of pizza. Don't we all love pizza? Yes, we do. So that's a slice of pizza. Here, as you can see, we have some pasta with some tomato sauce on the top. Then we have a soup. You know the soup very well. Here we have fish, and you see that's a dish that has a fish over into it. And then finally we have some salad. That's for lunch, of course. It's not about dinner, no, it's about lunch. So let's check it out now. Let's check it out and answer the question just like what we did. We'll underline the main ideas or the names of the food, and then we're going to come back here and tick the correct answer or answers. Okay, so he said that for lunch, my mom makes some pasta and a fish or meat dish. Of course, we always have salad or cooked vegetables. On Thursdays, I often go to the city center with my friends and have a slice of pizza with cheese, tomato, and mushrooms. Okay, let's go back again now. Let's hold the pen now with us. Let's have the pen now and underline as we always do. So he says, for lunch, my mom makes some pasta. That's, as you can see, that's it, pasta. And a fish or meat dish. So, first of all, he has pasta, and then he has one of these two, whether it was fish or meat. So, here we have one of those. They have pasta with fish or has pasta with meat dish. Okay, then he says, of course, we always have a salad. He says we always have a salad. So that's number 3. Number 3. Or cooked vegetables. Cooked vegetables, that's number 4. Then he said that on Thursdays, I often go to the city center with my friends and have, yes, he said it, he said a slice of pizza. Well, that's number 5. The slice of pizza over here has many things, which are cheese, tomato, and mushrooms. All of these things are actually into the slice of pizza that he's having, because that's his favorite topping. You remember when we said we like pepperoni? Well, he probably likes it with cheese, tomato, and mushrooms. Okay, so once again, what are the things that we have? We have pasta, we have fish, we have meat, and then we have salad, cooked vegetables, and a slice of pizza. So let's look for them. Let's look for them into the picture now. Let's look for them into the picture. Okay, so did he say that he likes a slice of pizza? Did he say that he likes a slice of pizza? Yes, he did. He said that he likes it with tomato, cheese, and mushrooms. Well, this one probably, it does have them all. It does have them all, although I don't really see mushrooms, but that's okay because, well, probably it's there. Did he say that he likes pasta? He say they have pasta? Yes, they did. They actually have pasta, so that's another tick. What about the soup over here? Do they have soup? Do they actually have soup? Did he say that? We have soup? Well, probably not. He didn't say that, so we're going to skip it for now. What about fish? What about fish? Did he say that? We have some fish? Yes, he did. He said that. We have some fish, so that's another correct answer. And finally, this one. What is this one? As you can see, it consists of many vegetables cut together. So, what is it? That's right. It is salad. Do they have a salad? Yes, they do. So let's go back again so we can make sure. Let's go back again and make sure that we have gotten everything right. So he said that. Pasta. Yes, we found the pasta. We found fish, of course. He said fish or meat dish. There was no meat in the picture, so no, we skipped it. He said salad. Yes, we do. So we have pasta, fish, salad, and then cooked vegetables. Did you find any cooked vegetables? No, we didn't. So in that case, we skipped it. Then he said that a slice of pizza. So did we find a slice of pizza? Yes. So we found pasta, fish, salad, slice of pizza, which are 4 words. 4 words, as you can see. Do they have 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. All right. So now let's move to the next one.